In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your project live in Maglr. So in order to publish our project so people around the globe will be able to see it, we want to publish it by clicking the blue publish button at the top left right of the screen here. And then you will see two options here. So either temporary preview to preview a publication or to actually publish it live. And right now this button is grayed out a little bit, so we can't accidentally click it. So we can't just accidentally push our project to a URL to publish it live. And for that, we're going to have to flip this switch here to set the project active. And now this blue button becomes available and I can click it to publish my project live, which will usually take a couple of seconds, after which a project will be publicly available and everyone around the globe with access to that very URL will be able to see it. So now I'm going to, the project's published, and I'm going to open it by clicking the orange button here, right next to the publish button. And there you can see two sections here, and we want to access the live URL of the project. We can do so by clicking that very button. And now you'll see the actual link that appears, and we'll be able to open that and actually view the project live. We can also copy the link directly to our clipboard, so we can paste it to any of the communication platforms that you might be using to spread it around. And we can also scan the QR code with our phones in order to preview or to actually view the publication on our mobile phones. Then there's some embed options as well to embed the project on your very own website, for example, or you can use the send button to directly send the publication to a colleague or to anyone else via email. So I'm going to click the open button now, and now we'll go to an actual website, and which will be able to directly navigate through the publication as we're used to, as we would like any other website, like any other online magazine. And now we're actually published live, so everyone with access to this very link will be able to view the project. And that concludes it for the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.